everyone, it's Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Just send your questions to me if you have them. I'll keep you anonymous. It's Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com, and I'm on every social network you can think of, okay? So this person's question, he's a clinical scientist for a medical device company, and he was wondering if I know of any networking sites or organizations to find clinical sites that would help test medical devices. I'm pretty new as a clinical scientist, and I'm trying to find good ways to obtain valuable site contacts. So the best way to do this is to actually go to clinicaltrials.gov and search for medical device studies right now, and then look at the sites that are participating. So to answer your question, first, the answer is no. I don't know of any networking sites that do this. It seems too specific for what I've experienced in the past as far as networking sites. Usually networking sites are multi-therapeutic sites that can conduct a whole bunch of different trials. So in this case, there isn't anything that specific that I know of, but what I would do if I were you is go on clinicaltrials.gov and search for those type of studies already, and then you can hopefully, if you get lucky and if you do enough of them, you can find sites that are actually participating in those kind of studies. And sometimes they have the contact information for the sites, or at least the names, and then you can Google them. And just try this. I mean, you might be surprised at how many studies there are and how many sites you can find. But if you would like to talk with me more about this, I can possibly help set something up with my CRO, because I'm dealing with sites all the time across the country, actually across the world. So I know of many who would be interested, but we can talk later through telephone. Okay, so thanks for the question. This is Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com, and this is just an example that clinicaltrials.gov can be used not just for sites to find studies that they want to participate in, or study participants that want to find studies, but also for sponsors looking for sites. And in fact, one of the reasons why a lot of the site information used to be kind of blocked out or kept confidential from the sponsors on clinicaltrials.gov is because they didn't want other sponsors to find their sites. But not all of them do this. I would say roughly half of them actually list the site names and cities, so you can Google them and contact them. And if you need help with this, let me know. I help sponsors and CROs with site selection all the time. Keep your questions coming, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com, and take care.